Here we want to find the final transaction balance of each city, which is the difference between all the money received by the city inhabitants and the money sent. And we want to display the result in descending order of the transaction balance. So let's organize my notes here. So for each city, we want to get the transaction balance, which is all the money received minus sent. And we want to sort by the balance in descending order. So let's see what we have. We have an account PayPal table, which gives us the account ID, the name of the account holder, the location of the account holder, and the balance. Then we have a transactions table, which gives us the transaction ID, the payer ID, the receiver ID, the amount transacted, and the transaction date. Now let's find out how much each city received. So centering on the transactions table, I will join the accounts table, specifically where the receiver ID is equal to the account ID, because this is going to tell us that the recipient was Virginia, for example. So now I will group by the city. I will select the city and I'll take the sum of the transaction amounts right here. And I will call this total amount received. Let's run this. And now we have a table that shows the total amount received by each city. So I will save this as a CTE. Let's call this city receptions, close the parentheses. And I'm going to do the same for the payment. So I will call this payment. I will give this a comma. I will change received to paid. And then instead of receiver, it's going to be payer. And let me just quickly query these CTEs to see that they work. And they do. Now we want to get the difference between received and sent. And so I want to join these two CTEs together. So I will join the other table using city. Then I will select the city. And I'm going to also select the total amount received minus the total amount paid. And I will call this city balance. Finally, I will order by the city balance in descending order. Let's run this. And here's our result.